Next up, we have our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. And this week, we're going to look at the Visual Studio Code's WSL plugin. So that one, it's a cool little extension which allows you on Windows to basically build Linux applications on the Windows Subsystem for Linux. So in other words, you get all the productivity of the Windows side while developing Linux-based tools, runtimes, and utilities. So if you want to just open up a folder from inside your WSL, just like you would from Windows, you can basically open it up and run that right from there. And it's got 30 million downloads or something, so it's pretty popular. I know a lot of people are really excited with the WSL, the Windows Subsystem for Linux, and all the things you can do. But running it directly inside of the WSL will probably give you some speed benefits. I know that the bridge from Linux back to Windows can be trouble, so having it run directly in this might make it even faster. So a lot of good reviews on this one here too. So if you guys are using Windows Subsystem, this might be a great way to tie into that. The main reason I'd like to use this more is the case sensitivity stuff that we do. A lot of times we're building on Windows and then we might be deploying to Linux and you have to worry about all the case sensitivity issues you didn't see. But if you can run it straight from there, develop there, then obviously you get all the benefits of having the strict case sensitivity. Now, for those who say I'm on Windows, I could do case sensitive mode on my drives. I've done that. I ran into all sorts of problems with that. I don't recommend doing that. I had more troubles than it was worth. So I guess Windows can have case sensitive drives and folders, but when you do that, it seems to cause a lot more problems than it's worth. So hopefully this is a better solution for those needing to do that. So again, the Visual Studio Code WSL extension is our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order